Tools and building supplies.
1. Hammer. 2. Mallet. 3. Axe. 4. Handsaw. 5. Hacksaw. 6. C-clamp. 7. Pliers. 8. Electric drill. 9. Circular saw. 10. Jigsaw. 11. Power sander. 12. Router. 13. Wire. 14. Extension cord. 15. Bungee cord. 16. Yardstick. 17. Pipe. 18. Fittings. 19. 2x4. 20. Particle board. 21. Spray gun. 22. Paintbrush. 23. Paint roller. 24. Wood stain. 25. Paint. 26. Vise. 27. Blade. 28. Drill bit. 29. Level. 30. Screwdriver. 31. Phillips screwdriver. 32. Machine screw. 33. Wood screw. 34. Nail. 35. Bolt. 36. Nut. 37. Washer. 38. Toggle bolt. 39. Hook. 40. Eye hook. 41. Chain. 42. Wire stripper. 43. Electrical tape. 44. Work light. 45. Tape measure. 46. Outlet cover. 47. Pipe wrench. 48. Adjustable wrench. 49. Duct tape. 50. Plunger. 51. Paint pan. 52. Scraper. 53. Masking tape. 54. Drop cloth. 55. Chisel. 56. Sandpaper. 57. Plane.